Hello everybody, my name is Summoner Work, and today I'll be teaching you how to use the Summoner's War Rune Optimizer. So go ahead and open up your web browser and head over to github.com/exandro/sw-exporter. Now you're going to open up a second tab and go to tool.swap.1. Right, back over to GitHub. Scroll on down until you see the latest release link. Click. Find your operating system and download it. Once you download, go ahead and install. And once you install it, it should bring up this program, the Summoner's War Exporter. Alright, from here, you're actually going to want to see if your computer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that your phone is connected to. Mine currently is, so we're going to move on. Take note of the IP address on the upper left, the port number in the middle, and the start button on the right. Go ahead and click start, and it should say it's now listening to the ports. From here, you're going to pull up your phone and head over to your Wi-Fi settings. Alright, from here, go to network you're connected to and manage that setting and show advanced options. Under proxy, it should be none or default, and we're going to change that over to manual configuration. Under proxy host name, make sure you put the IP address that's in your Summoner's War exporter, 192.168/2/17, and then under proxy port, the port number that's in your exporter program. Go ahead and save that. And you're going to want to open Summoner's War. Once you get to the actual Summoner's War loading screen, you're going to notice that on your exporter, it's going to start retrieving some files. There we go. Over here is going to say Save Profile Data. Once you have that, you're going to head over to tool.swap.1. You're going to browse to wherever you put it. It's probably going to be on your desktop to Summoner's War exporter files, and you're going to find a JSON file. I'm going to import that. And it's going to tell you that it imported data, 804 runes, 237 monsters. That sounds correct. So you're going to head over to the left of the website, and you're going to notice this golden colored one that has the lines and circles. Click on that. Pick the monster you want to set up. I'm going to use Lapis because fuck you all. Mine's already set up for her, I guess. So over here under sets, just pick whatever sets you want them to use. You can use multiple 4-piece sets, and it'll just find everything possible. I just want our Violent Revenge, so that's what I'm using. Over here, you're going to tell it what you want in each of the 2, 4, 6 slots. I have attack, crit damage, attack. Over here under focus, you're going to just tell it which stats that you want the optimizer to focus on. For my Lapis, I want attack, crit rate, crit damage, and accuracy. Over here under filters, it's just basically the range of each stat you want the runes to have. I don't really care about this part. If you want to learn about it, if enough people tell me to go over it, I'll go over it, but it's pretty unimportant. Once all that's set, you look over here under options. Now these are pretty self-explanatory. Locked runes are runes that you've already locked in tool.swap.1. I haven't locked any. You probably won't either. Over here is probably the most important one. Use only runes from inventory. If you have it checked, it won't look at any runes that another monster has. If you uncheck it, it'll go through all those runes too. Another important one is like only using runes that are maxed or not maxed, 6-star or 5-star. So go ahead and use the options you want. I don't use any of them. Once you're ready, go ahead and click Optimize. Down here, it's going to show you all your rune options. The top one is always the one you currently have. If you want to sort by specific stat, just click on the little arrow next to the attack name. For instance, by attack, I'm going to find this build, which has about 350 more attack than my current one. I'm going to mouse over it. It's going to tell you all the differences of the stats between your current set and the set you're looking at. And it's also going to tell you where those runes are. So over here it's going to tell me that the slot 1's in my inventory. Lapis already has the rune 2, 3, and 4 and equipped on my Rune. 4 is on my Lich, 5 is on my Bird. So if I wanted to use this set, I would go find those runes and stick it on there. That's basically it. If you want a more advanced guide, feel free to ask. If enough people ask me, I'll get off my lazy ass and actually do it. If not, this is, I think, a pretty good introduction to the Rune Optimizer. Go ahead and play and fiddle with it if you want. It's not too complicated. Hope you guys have a good free rune removal day, and maybe I'll see you again. See ya.